go to Madras and Hyderabad to be with our fathers. So Friday to Sunday, religiously, 52 times a year we will do that. So I'm familiar with the place. Yeah, so it's been at the back of my head. I know exactly how the body language is, etc., etc. But Milan had asked us ki don't even think about trying to act like a South Indian hero. He said that doesn't need to come. We are catering to a Hindi audience, and their whole lingo, their style was very, very different. So we don't want to go that route. We're just getting the look and a feel of that era. We're not trying to act like them. So that was never an issue.
Hi, this is Manjusha from Gulf News.
Hi,
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
South Indian characters are often caricatured.
That if this film does well, then at least, within the industry I'll be known for being part of a big film, which is not just a comedy.
Okay, both of you now, Imran and Tushar, both of you knew it was a very heroine-centric film, a very Vidya Balan-centric film, and knowing Vidya, she can overshadow the best of many actors. But still, you accepted the...
My only fear was, yes, I've done a lot of solo films, they've been successful. I'm a very selfish actor. I like to fill the screen with my presence. And for this film, it was, I wouldn't say it was a compromise. I think for me, doing this film was, like I said, playing a different relationship with a woman on screen, working with Milan and Ekta again, because we had a successful film before that. And just being part of a successful film and a good film, something that, even though the role isn't the protagonist's role, it's something that probably, if I look back after a decade of my career, this would be one of the landmark films in my career. Because of the role, because of the kind of film, because I believe that this film will be a kind of game changer in a lot of ways. The way it's been showcased, the way it's been marketed, the way the narrative is. So that was my draw to do this film.
Yeah, similarly, I also feel that these three guys, they're not just characters in the film. Even though it is Vidya's film, but we are heroes in the film. So the roles are very, very significant. And because it's about Silk's life and her rise and her fall, the story would be incomplete without the inclusion of these guys. Because her personal life is in the focus in the film. So, सबको फायदा होगा अगर film चलेगी, तो हम सब selfishly इस film में, because the characters are good, the roles are good, and we all will gain, provided the audiences gives the film a thumbs up.
Yeah. I'm sure they will. Vidya, one last question. You absolutely, I don't praise anybody very easily, but I must say you were absolutely brilliant in Ishqiya.
Thank you.
I think after Baida Rahman's Rosie in Guide, I think it was one of the best female roles ever
Wow,
written.
that's a huge compliment. Thank you
Tell
so
me
much.
something. Are you disappointed that you're not part of Ishqiya too?
No, not really. I think, firstly, it is about Bhanu and Bhanja. And, on their first trip, trying to get out of India, they met me. In the second, in the sequel, I'm sure they're going to meet someone else. But more importantly, I think the give and take between Ishqiya and me is pretty much complete. I don't think I could have given the movie any more, and I don't think the film could have given me any more either.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tanuj, one question from you. Tanuj, tell me, why is Balaji Films taking instances from real life, like Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, or even Dirty Picture, and making films on, which are near biopics, rather than taking up fresh ideas not from real life, but fictional stories?
I think that's a coincidence, and that's really not a conscious decision, because if you see our future slate of films, with the exception of one or two products, everything else that we're doing is completely in the realm of fiction, So it just so happened that two projects came around which were more or less modeled on, on, so to speak, real life characters, or inspired by, so to speak, real life characters. But there's no strategy in place. As an organization, we like to push the envelope on content. We like to create stuff that's commercial at the same time, which is cutting edge and unconventional. And I think that's really, this film is really an endeavor in that direction.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Any other questions, please? We got a question here.
Endeavor, fiction, endeavor. ये press conference है, live concert नहीं.
We have a question from Manju, please.
One
Yes.
question.
Hi.
Hi. Dubai has been, the climate here has been lovely, and then 3 days ago there was a rainbow in the sky. Now, the word rainbow is no longer the same after. So I would like each of you to interpret the term as per the character of your film. If you can.
The word rainbow.
Rainbow means to your character in the film, because the word rainbow no longer, I mean, if you look up into the sky and see a rainbow today, it's going to mean something else also.
So, I think to me a rainbow is really like a woman. He actually says it in the film that औरत रेनबो की तरह होती है. जितने रंग उतने रूप. I completely go with that.
Well, I think that Rainbow really depicts her character. My character is in monotone. Throughout the film, he's wearing only black. The only time he gets into colors, one song when he actually starts embodying what she said. That films only run on entertaining content. So yeah, he's a monotonous character that somewhere starts believing that life can be a rainbow towards the second half.
Well, I think once, a while back, Vidya had said in a press conference that she's never enjoyed being a woman as much as in the dirty picture. So, I'd also like to say and repeat that I never enjoyed being a man as much as in the dirty picture. And that's simply because not just her character is a rainbow, my character also is a rainbow. Because, not in the same way though, but the fact that with her, my character keeps evolving and changing. He's like a very suppressed guy. And then this romantic side comes out, the humorous side comes out, the anger in him comes out. The successful writer in him comes out. So he starts rediscovering himself and comes into his own. So actually both these characters, Silk and Ramakant, they rise at the same time. So it's a very colorful phase in her life where she's becoming a superstar and he's becoming a successful writer. So we both are like rainbows in that sense.
So Ramakant goes Rangila.
Completely Rangila, yeah. In fact, there's a scene in the film where, I don't want to reveal that, but...
No, but I have to say this. Where he goes completely berserk,
and
after
tough
a moment
competition to Silk in
Yeah.
Ooh La La, yeah.
He's danced his heart out, and it was a spontaneous thing. There was no choreography or anything, and you have to see it to believe it. Fabulous.
We
Thank
see it
you.
here.
Well done, well done.
Yeah, he danced very quickly.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
Imran's not going to agree.
I'm the director, so I'll just say start sound camera action. So
So we
he's
have
doing
Tushar and
dance.
Vidya then, right?
Yes.
We'll do that. We'll do that just after the
Yeah.
questions are over. We have a question from there, please.
Hi, Vidya, I'm Gagan here.
Hi, Gagan.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Good to see you in Dubai.
Thank you.
Hi, Imran.
You've spoken quite a few times.
Yeah, quite a few times.
Radio interviews, yes.
Yes. Congratulations. I think this film will make 70 crores net as far as I'm concerned.
Domestic India.
Domestic India.
That is my prediction also.
70 crore net. Congratulations to the guy who cut the promo, because after the first promo was out on YouTube and Facebook, there were like a couple of million hits. Congratulations, like amazing film. और यहाँ पर मैं jokingly कहूँगा public सामान भी देखेगी और दुकान भी देखेगी. Imran, seriously, I mean, as an actor, I've seen you like growing film by film. Once upon a time in Mumbai, you were brilliant. Couple of more films. जोक में एक बात कहना चाहूंगा, मैं वो किस वाले जोक से आप भी बोर हो गए होंगे, लेकिन since you hate Silk in the film, I'm sure you will not kiss her in the film.
I don't want to say something like that. We'll keep that as a mystery.
Gagan, may I assure you that hate is the first sign of love.
And as much as I said that I would take a break, probably I haven't in this film.
So, thank you so much.
Any more questions left, please, on the
We
floor?
want them.
Yeah, I know, but I have to be fair to the people who are at the back. Anyone? This is your moment. Going, gone. Or forever hold your silence. Okay then. May I also invite. No.
Oh,
That's what.
I'm here with the cast and crew of Dirty Pictures. Hi Tushar, hi Vidya, and hi Imran.
Hi.
Hi. चलिए आप एक बात बताइए सबसे पहले Dirty Pictures overall. What do you have to tell us? Tell me something about the picture. Who wants to start?
The Dirty Picture is a film set in the 80s about the loves and life of a dancing star, जो कि बहुत ही बिंदास बेबाक लड़की थी और बहुत ही मजेदार है. It's basically about that, and it's got when I'm talking about the loves, it has 3 leading men. बहुत अलग-अलग किस्म के रिश्ते हैं उसके तीनों के साथ. तुषार के साथ प्यार मोहब्बत का रिश्ता है, नसीर साहब के साथ अश्लील रिश्ता है और इमरान के साथ नफरत का है. तो I think it's a complete package which is about
entertainment.
Entertainment.
And entertainment, yeah? Okay, Vidya, इस रोल के लिए apparently देख रहे हैं कि आप तो एकदम फिट है, मगर I think you did put on weight for it, yeah?
12 किलो वजन बढ़ाया इस फिल्म के लिए और घट तो गया है पर पूरा नहीं, अभी थोड़ा बाकी है.
मुझे तो लगता नहीं है.
That's called camouflage clothing. और हाँ, because ये एक साउथ की लड़की है और 80 के दशक में वैसे भी औरतें औरतों की तरह दिखती थी, वेल एंडाउड होती थी. यस, और साउथ की लड़कियां तो और भी ज्यादा वेल एंडाउड होती थी, वोलप्चुअस होती थी. तो आई गेस दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड टू पुट ऑन वेट एंड आई हैव एंजॉयड इट. जो मन किया वो खाया और बस.
But do you believe South Indian actresses have to be voluptuous? I mean, you are South Indian yourself.
So I'm very well endowed and I'm very proud of that.
Love relationships are always, you've been always having a very good rapport. Yeah, love last in previous films. इस बार नफरत, ये कौन सा अलग टच है?
Unique relationship. जब मिलन और रजत ने मुझे ये फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई, throughout the first act or gradually into the second act एक नफरत का relationship है and there's a constant power between these two characters. Abraham Silk को एक वजह से blame करता है कि कहता है कि इसके वजह से there was a downfall in his career. लेकिन कहीं न कहीं second या third act में it comes in a slight undercurrent of love which is very beautifully done. It's written very well. Dialogues बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो ये थोड़ा समझाना मुश्किल होगा लेकिन you can feel it in the film. It just grows with every scene, and it's one of the most beautiful on-screen relationships that I've seen for a long time. Yeah.
I don't think we've actually had those kind of relationships in.
Yeah, we haven't.
We haven't had that kind of a relationship in Hindi films at least. बहुत सारे रिश्ते नफरत से शुरू होते हैं, प्यार में बदल जाते हैं. But this is a very mature, sensitive, real take on it, and I've actually enjoyed the chemistry, on-screen chemistry with Imran. Variety is the spice of life.
No barrier.
Yeah. What have I learned from all 3 of them? I think Nasir Saab, what I've always admired about him is how you can never see Nasiruddin Shah on screen. It's always a character you see. With Imran, this is the first time I've worked with him. I loved him in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. And I realized that he's so effortless that he doesn't ever get worked up or hassled or seems like he's putting in any effort in front of the camera. It flows so naturally. So, absolutely. And I think he has chemistry. He can have chemistry with even a block of wood. So, he just exudes that. So it's amazing. And with Tushar, हम लोग दोनों बातूनी हैं. दोनों को बातें करना अच्छा लगता है. So, we would keep talking to each other in between our shots. And again, I think he's what I admire about Tushar is that एक prank खेला था मैंने तुषार पे when you know I हाँ अब मेरी बारी थी and I played a prank on him और scene के dialogues मैंने बदल दिए, scene थोड़ा बहुत बदल दिया on take. पर तुषार डटे रहे, you know, he's so dedicated. He's like got blinkers on when he's in a scene, which is amazing.
Okay, Tushar, last not the least, इनको dirty pictures में, I mean, as a comedian, I mean, how the role that you had in Golmaal, थोड़ा सा कुछ कह दीजिए. That same way, last. Let's end it up in that way.
I'm thinking of a nice line.
Let's end it up in that way.
Okay. मैं ना सिर्फ गूंगा हो गया, अंधा भी हो गया.